The new chapter is my mother is the best. So how you can say that my mother is the best? बताओ कैसे बोल सकते हो my mother is the best? कुछ बताओ. चलो टॉपिक से क्या समझ में आ रहा है आपको? My mother is the best. कौन बताएगा? What do you understand by the topic?
मैम आपने फर्स्ट चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन आंसर्स किया.
Chapter 2, my mother is the best. Okay, so start reading, Annapurna.
For every baby, its mother is the best. All living things give birth to young ones. The mother and the father of the young ones are called the parents. The process by which living things produce more of their own kinds, it's called reproduction.
Okay, so for every baby, the mother is the best. Okay, we know now for us, my mother is the best. हम लोग के लिए सबके लिए हमारी माँ बहुत प्यारी होती है ना, because we share everything. Whatever happens with us, not with our father but with our mother. We share each and everything, and we feel light and happy also after sharing our problem with our mother only. है ना? आप लोग भी जाके अपनी बातें सारी अपनी मम्मा से शेयर करते हो ना. आपके साथ कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होता है, आप अपनी मम्मा को ही बोलते हो. Yes, it is true ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is that we used to tell all the things to our mother. है ना? तो same way for every baby the mother is best. है ना? And the mother and father, हम लोग के mother and father क्या कहलाते हैं? Parents कहलाते हैं. What are they called? They are called parents. The process by which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. So what is reproduction? It is the process by which our mother and father help us to create the kind of their own kind of their children are known as what? Reproduction. मतलब आप सब कॉपीज हो अपने मम्मी और पापा की. क्लियर? आप सब लोग अपने मम्मी पापा की क्या हो? कॉपी हो. तो that is called the reproduction. है ना? आगे वंश बढ़ाते रहना, आगे की जनरेशन को बढ़ाते रहना is called reproduction. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
The process
Yes,
of
ma'am.
the process of producing the living things of their own kind is known as reproduction. Underline these lines. Everyone underline. The process of by which living things produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. Underline this line. Those who have book.
Ma'am, I am not book.
Those who have book, underline this line.
Reproduction in animals. Animals reproduce by two ways. By laying eggs and by giving birth to babies. Animals that lay eggs are called oviparous, and those that give birth are called viviparous. Young ones of animals undergo many stages of growth and may or may not resemble their parents.
Okay, stop. Animals reproduce by two ways. Okay, animals, we are also human beings and animals also. Okay, they reproduce both human beings and animals. Two kinds से reproduce करते हैं. दो kind होता है. First, laying the eggs. Now who all lays egg? Example बताओ. कौन कौन egg lay करता है? हाँ, नीला से नीला.
Ma'am, crocodile.
Okay, and Annapurna?
Hen.
Very good. Ayushi? Yes, Ayushi?
Ma'am, snake.
Very good. और स्पर्श? हाँ बताओ.
Ma'am, pigeon.
Yes. Okay. These all lays egg, है ना? Laying egg and by giving birth to the babies. पहला तो लेइंग एग हो गया, दूसरा बाय गिविंग बर्थ टू द बेबीज। इसके एग्जांपल्स बताओ, बेबीज कौन कौन देता है, एनिमल्स के नाम बताओ। यस नीला बताओ, नीला बताओ।
मैम डॉग।
ओके, एंड यस अन्नपूर्णा।
Ma'am, cow.
वेरी गुड। एंड
मैम एलिफेंट।
यस, एंड बस इतने ही। काऊ है ना, काऊ, cat, these all animals give birth to their babies, they do not give eggs. Okay, animals that lay by eggs are called oviparous. Okay, those who lay egg are called oviparous animals, and those who give birth to the young ones are called viviparous animals. जो एग ले करते हैं उनको हम ओविपेरिस कहते हैं, एंड दैट गिव्स बर्थ टू द यंग वंस आर कॉल्ड विविपेरिस एनिमल. Clear to everyone?
यस मैम।
Okay, now what is oviparous animal? Yes. First, what are oviparous animals?
They lay eggs.
Very good. What are viviparous animals? Ayushi, viviparous कौन से animals होते हैं?
Ma'am, they who birds animal.
हाँ, they give birth to the babies. Clear? So three words हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे पढ़े हैं. पहला reproduction, giving birth to the young ones. Okay. Viviparous animals, those give birth to the babies, and oviparous animals, those who lay eggs. Three words यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने नए सीखे हैं. कौन कौन से हैं वो words? बताओ. चलो बोलो कौन कौन से वो words हैं जो नए नए हम लोगों ने सीखे अभी. Three words.
Reproduction.
Very good, Rishabh. And
Oviparous.
very good, Annapurna. And
Viviparous.
very good, Annapurna. ठीक है, three words है, reproduction, oviparous and viviparous. Keep in mind everyone. Tomorrow again I'll ask. Nobody will forget. Okay? चलो, we'll move to again. First, start reading.
Human life cycle. Humans grow and age through various stages in their lifetime. Human babies develop within their mother's body for 9 months. Then they are born. A 1-year-old child is called an infant. A 3-year-old child is called a toddler. Slowly, the child continues to grow till he or she enters teenage. The teenage period lasts from 13 to 19 years of age. It is called the adolescent period, and the child is called an adolescent. During this period, adulthood is the longest stage in human life cycle. It lasts.
Okay, stop. हाँ, human grow and age through various stages. हम लोगों की growing की age के बहुत सारे stages होते हैं. पहले हम बहुत infant होते हैं. We are infant, the small babies who are just born, just they have came out from the mother's womb. They are called infant. They are, and 1 year.
Ma'am, I
child
have
होता है, उसे हम
one
infant
book because I learned the
1-year-old child is called infant. A 3-year-old child is called toddler. Okay, a 3-year-old child is called toddler because he start crawling. है ना, वो अपने knees के बल पे चलने लगता है. So it is called a toddler. Slowly, child continues and grow till he or she enters teenage. He starts growing and he enters to the teenage, and teenage age is of from 13 to 21 or 18 we can say it is a teenage age. ठीक है, 13 to 19 years हमारी कौन सी एज होती है? टीनेज एज होती है ना. We used to get to know very things. We experiences hormonal changes also. Girls go through many changes, है ना. Boys also goes through many changes. We used to get hairs on our body, है ना. Many changes, hormonal changes अंदर से आने लगते. We used to get pimples. Some hormonal changes gets like that कि किसी किसी के चेहरे पे बहुत पिंपल्स होने लगते हैं, है ना. We get too much of hair in our body. Okay, these are the changes we used to get during our teenagers. It is called adolescent period and child is called adolescent, and this teenage period is also called adolescent period also, है ना. And we are called as adolescent. Adulthood is the longest stage in the human life cycle. It lasts from 19 years to death. Okay, after 19 years, it is called adulthood. Adulthood हो जाता है ना. And it lasts up to we live in this universe. तब तक last करती है. That is called our adulthood. There we get to study. We used to go outside, है ना. We do our jobs. We have a family. We get married, है ना. These all happens in adulthood. These all changes happens in adulthood. And this is the life cycle. Human life cycle starts from an infant and ends in the adulthood. Clear to everyone? Now बताओ मुझे, how many stages are there for the human life cycle? पहली stage क्या है? What is the first stage? Ayushi will tell. What is the first stage? Now only I have told now. What is the first stage?
Baby.
Small baby. What he is called? What he is called? What is another name? Yes, Anupurna?
Infant.
Very good. Infant. ठीक है? Infant is the first stage. What is the second stage, Rishabh? What is the second stage, beta?
Man, toddler.
Toddler. Very good. Toddler. What is the third stage, Devansh? What is the third stage? Devansh? What is the third stage?
Ma'am, adolescent.
Very good. Okay, 3 stages are there. Neela?
Udhar.
3 stages.
Infant, toddler, adolescent.
Very good. Infant, toddler and adolescent. These are the 3 stages of human cycle. Clear? So in the first page, this page, what we have learned about reproduction, giving birth to the new babies, है ना. 2 types होते हैं reproduction के. पहले हैं laying eggs, those are known as oviparous, and giving birth to the babies, that is called viviparous. Human life cycle की 3 stages होती हैं: infant, toddler and adolescent. This much is clear to everyone? Any doubt?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Anyone have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So tomorrow I'll ask.
No, ma'am.
Tomorrow I'll ask these questions. Be prepared, everyone.
No, ma'am.
Okay, next page. Come to the next page. Yes, Annapurna, start reading, beta.
Marsupials also give birth to babies. Kangaroos give birth to young ones called joys that spend a long time in their pouch stage of growth. Butterfly. A butterfly, it lays eggs. The eggs is sting. It sits on the leaf where the female butterfly lays it. After 6-7 days, a worm-like creature hatches out of the egg. It is light green or yellow in color. This is the larva. We call it caterpillar. The larva eats leaves and grows till it gets legs. It is the young on of a butterfly, but it does not resemble its parents at all. The caterpillar spins a cocoon around its body and fastens itself to a plant with a still thread. The caterpillar rests inside the pupa till it turns into a butterfly. The baby butterfly emerges for the pupa and it's transformed into an adult butterfly.
Okay, so marsupials also give birth to the babies. Kangaroos give birth to the young ones called joeys, and that spend a long time in the pouch. Okay, आप लोगों ने कंगारू देखा है क्या? You have seen, I think so, in TV. Real life में भी बहुत लोगों ने देखा होगा. The babies just sit in the mother's womb, है ना? Pouch जैसा उसका कंगारू का ऐसा रहता है. उसी में बेबी रहता है. तो कंगारूस baby is called what? Joey. What is called kangaroos baby?
Joys.
Joey.
Joey.
हाँ, Joey. We'll call him a Joey. ठीक है? Now we'll study about the stages of butterfly. Butterfly, what? Butterfly is a oviparous animal. She lays egg. Okay, it is a oviparous animal and it lays egg. The egg is tiny and it sits on the leaf where the female butterfly lay on. The egg is laid in the leaf. Leaf पे egg देती है butterfly, है ना? ऐसे हर जगह नहीं देते हैं. जैसे pigeons जो होती है हमारे घर में, अभी के टाइम पे हम देख रहे हैं समर सीजन में घर में चिड़िया घोंसला बना लेती है ना. कहीं पे भी उन लोग जगह पाती है तो अपने घर में कहीं पे भी घोंसला बना लेती है. सेम, बट इन लोग नहीं बना पाएंगे. बटरफ्लाई तो बहुत स्मॉल सी होती है, उन लोग कहाँ से घोंसला बना पाएंगे? So they used to lay their eggs in a leaf. After 6 to 7 days, a worm-like creature hatches out of the egg. As 6 and 7 days over, the egg hatches into a small worm-like structure. Worm देखा है ना, ग्रीन कलर का रहता है. ग्रीन कलर का वर्म देखा आप लोगों ने कि नहीं? बताओ. वर्म ग्रीन कलर का देखा है कि नहीं? You can see that in that peas, मटर जो रहता है, मटर छीलते हैं तो ग्रीन कलर का कीड़ा नहीं निकलता है.
Yes, ma'am.
देखा है ना? कभी कभी निकलता ना, जब अपन मटर छीलते हैं उसमें रहता है छोटा सा कीड़ा रहता है ग्रीन कलर का. That is called. That is a larva. That is a worm. है ना? वो worm होता है. It is light green or yellow color. This is larva that we call as caterpillar. उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Caterpillar कहते हैं. It is very much sticky type, है ना? तो वो caterpillar कहलाता है. Larva eat leaves and grows till it get leg. It is a young one of butterfly, but it does not resemble its parents at all. ठीक है? That larva, वो जो small सा caterpillar होता है, वो क्या खाता है? वो खाता है leaves and जब तक खाता रहता है, जब तक उसके legs ना निकल जाए और वो एक butterfly में develop ना हो जाए. Caterpillar spins a cocoon around its body and fastens itself to a plant with a silk thread. The caterpillar rests inside the pupa till it's turned into a butterfly. Okay, वो अपने इर्द गिर्द ककून, जो हैव सीन सम रुआ टाइप का पार्ट कम्स आउट फ्रॉम दैट कैटरपिलर. रुआ जैसे रहता है, व्हाइट कलर का पार्ट. अगर आप लोगों ने करीब से देखा होगा, कुछ रुआ जैसे पार्ट्स निकलते हैं उस कैटरपिलर से, है ना? वो सिल्क थ्रेड में डेवलप हो जाते हैं. उसके अंदर प्यूपा स्टे करता है जब तक वो बटरफ्लाई में ना कन्वर्ट हो जाए. The baby butterfly emerges from pupa and is transformed into an adult butterfly. वो बेबी बटरफ्लाई जो रहती है वो प्यूपा से निकलता है और एक बड़े बटरफ्लाई में शामिल हो जाता है ना. सी हियर एग रहता है. डायग्राम देखो सब लोग. देखो ये एग है ना? ये एग है. देन ये लार्वा बनता है. देन प्यूपा हो जाता है एंड देन दिस इज अ बटरफ्लाई. दिस इज द स्टेजेस ऑफ द बटरफ्लाई. कैसे बटरफ्लाई निकलती है? The process by which insect changes in form in their development from egg to adult is called metamorphosis. Okay, so the process of this changes, है ना? लार्वा एग से बटरफ्लाई बनने का जितने सारे चेंजेस होते हैं उसको हम लोग मेटामॉर्फोसिस कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? क्या कहते हैं? चेंजेस स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम एग टू द बटरफ्लाई, जो ऑल चेंजेस होते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? मेटामॉर्फोसिस. व्हाट वी विल से?
Metamorphosis.
Metamorphosis. Very good. Okay, that is called metamorphosis. So what you will do today? Today you will draw this diagram in your EVS copy. Okay, those who don't have book, I will send the picture and you will draw this diagram in your EVS copy. Everyone, just color it also. And in the white page you will draw this. Write the heading metamorphosis. Okay, heading you will write metamorphosis and start drawing this diagram. Clear? So we conclude here what we have learned today, what we have seen today. That we have learned about the reproduction. है ना? What is reproduction? It is the process of giving birth to the babies. है ना? It is the process of giving birth to the babies. Babies को birth दो टाइप से दिया जा सकता है. पहला है laying egg और दूसरा है क्या? पहला laying egg और दूसरा क्या है?
Be born a baby.
Very good. Giving birth to the baby. है ना? Two types of reproduction है. पहला laying egg and दूसरा giving birth to the babies. है ना? और human की life cycle में 3 stages होते हैं. क्या क्या stages होते हैं human की life cycle में? 3 stages. नाम बोलो.
Infant,
हाँ,
Toddler,
हाँ,
adolescent.
Adolescent.
very good. Adolescent.
Adolescent.
हाँ, adolescent. है ना? 3 stages होते हैं. Clear? उसके बाद what we will call kangaroo's baby? What is called kangaroo?
Joy.
Very good.
Joy.
Joy is the kangaroo's baby. And then we have seen the stages of the growth in butterfly. है ना? Butterfly पहले egg देगी leaf में, then it converts to larva, then to pupa, and then to the butterfly. So butterfly की stages क्या है? First is the repeat after me. Everyone repeat after me. Everyone will repeat after me. And repeat after me, everyone. First will be egg.
Egg.
Second will be larva.
larva,
Third will be pupa.
pupa,
And last stage will be butterfly.
Butterfly.
So what will be their first stage will be?
egg,
Egg.
Yes. Yes. Second stage will be
larva,
larva. Very good. Third stage will be
pupa,
very good. Good students. And fourth stage will be
butterfly,
very good. Very good. So these are the 4 stages of butterfly. First is again repeat. First is
egg,
second stage.
larva,
Third stage.
pupa,
Fourth stage.
butterfly,
Very good. Very good. Very good. Good students. ऐसे ही सुनना है आपको, है ना? सुन के पढ़ना है ऐसे ही. And human stage के बताओ. 3 stage human के बताओ कौन से होंगे?
infant,
Very good. हाँ, हाँ.
toddler,
Very good.
Toddler.
हाँ.
adolescent,
Adolescent.
Very good. Adolescent.
Adolescent.
Clear ना?
Adolescent.
तो stages
yes ma'am,
stages clear हो गई ना? Human cycle की
Yes, ma'am.
की सबको
yes ma'am,
याद रहेगा ना?
yes ma'am,
Tomorrow I'll ask again.
Yes, ma'am.
To everyone I'll
Yes,
ask
ma'am.
tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
yes ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
कल हम लोग देखेंगे फ्रॉग कैसे, फ्रॉग की क्या क्या स्टेजेस है. जैसे बटरफ्लाई की स्टेजेस है एग, लार्वा, प्यूपा एंड बटरफ्लाई, वैसे ही फ्रॉग की भी स्टेजेस है. तो कल हम लोग फ्रॉग की स्टेजेस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. क्लियर है एवरीवन को?
yes ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कोई डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
no,
No, ma'am.
एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर ना?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Yes, ma'am.
यस ऋषभ.
Ma'am. Bye,
Bye,
ma'am. Good day, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
good day ma'am,
Good day, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
bye ma'am,
Ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
good day ma'am.